Good evening, everybody, and thank you for having me on this webinar. I'm grateful to Thermal Control Business Magazine for giving me this opportunity again. So today's topic of webinar is intelligent HVAC digital strategies. Why, how, and what are the strategies that can be help in HVAC for MEP system conversion? Our agenda is that how the news effect intelligent HVAC using smart digital system and case study of some sectors like residential, industry, and the data center, and what goals that will have on the next estimate. So I will go to with this. There's a news of high heat wave Delhi for the temperature rise. So that news has come, and what is happening to the stopping of the schools in Delhi also. So this will have more effect on the HVC. So, so that there is a Maharashtra government has signed artificial intelligence MOU for the governments and coming public sectors. So those effects, if news will affect on our HVAC system as well. So our topic of system topics which has more importance on the this news. So how that will going to happen? So what we consider as HVAC MEP system convergence. Basically, it starts with the HVAC electrical plumbing firefighting integration. So nowadays, system integration is very much important than uh, you have some integration. So s- this will show more it on your energy consumption. So how it is going to affect our HVAC system? So let us understand with the some of the digital smart technology we are going to use in age, like it's a what we call as a intelligent building. So BIM is the one of the thing that we start any project with the BIM, where we make 2D to 3D model, and that converts that into the digital twin. So BIM is going to play important role for collaboration of MEP and integration of the HVAC also. So IoT sensors, which are going to have the integration with the BMS, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, virtual build, and digital twin, 3D scanning. These are the some of the digital smart technology which are going to help in the coming ages to have the more intelligent building. So about something residential as MEP as HVAC convergence consider. So instead of using electrical design, if you use the heat pumps or hot water generation along with the digital system, will definitely not only modulate the energy also, but it will consume energy and it will generate energy also, and it will run as per the demand of the uh, uh, public which are who are using this hot water. See, electrical
तो सर
geysers are consuming coal. Am I audible? Hello,
Yes,
hello.
you are audible, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Now the most of the high rise are going with the heat pumps that can be installed in your service area or where the service space is there. You can use the AI-based split units or VRF for residential sections. Now, many companies are giving manufacturers split units that we have got AI-based or AI-enabled split units and VRF. So that will also help in the coming further maintenance of proactive maintenance also. Use a chatbot and AI agent is coming for the maintenance, which will help to track the maintenance record and how individual performance that can be monitored with the IoT sensor. Some of the digital smart technology which are going to hamper the hotel sector is, which we have conveyed earlier also, the hot thermal heat wave, that is a heat wave is happening. So using of thermal energy storage with digital system, which will definitely take care of this heat wave problem. What happens is that normally more than 30 degrees Celsius and goes to 45 degrees, you have to start chillers accordingly to compensate the energy. And all hotter sectors are basically derived around the energy consumption rates. So if you are using with this thermal energy storage, where in night there is a night types are very low as compared to day tariff, so that energy can be stored in the night with the low tariff and can be used in the morning also. So these techniques of smart technology will help for the hotel sector also. Like if you are going with the bigger chillers, there is a now latest trend of modular chiller has come. So this will also take care of all these things because modular chillers takes less space as compared to the big chiller, and they are also comes with the hot water generation. So you are both your energy is saved, your plumbing sector is also saved, and you can do the big management also. So the most of the energy sectors is laundries and kitchen will be consume more energy. And if you see the 30 to 33 percentage is consumed by the uh, kitchen and uh, sectors. So kitchen ventilation can be done with the using demand control system, which with the connected with the smart HVAC IoT sensors with the dashboard. So wherever there is a temperature rise is there, or where is a requirement of temperature or sensors are there, this will act accordingly and give your energy also. So if we now come to the data center, which is one of the biggest center, and as you know, I already shared that officially AI, my government has signed for the AI for the coming governments also. So in India, Maharashtra is one of the highest number of data centers, and we know the data center consumes more energy as we have to give one working and one standby HU, and you have to feed it with the DG set also. So all these are consumed with this can be monitored with the smart technology using ISC center. Say like DG set fuel tank can be low, can be monitored and can be consumed less, and wherever the requirement is there, that can be fulfilled with the this kind of digital smart technology. So if you use these sensors, technology ISC sensors, we will human interface will be reduced as all data can be shared on your mobile app, or you can have it from the cloud, and wherever you are sitting, data and dashboard, you can see and monitor all these things. Proactive maintenance for 24/7 application is the most critical thing in the data center, and that can be achieved through only with the digital smart HVAC techniques. So why we have to go with this smart technology or digital system? See, in conventional we use the reactive system. Now we have to go from reactive to the proactive for the digital system. These are the things, these IoT, I think Mohammed has already given on talk on this. I will not go into that. So IoT sensors are connected to the IoT gateways, and that data is cloud to, can be transferred to the cloud and and that can be this IoT is one of the thing which is happening in the digital system. So what goal we are going to achieve with this digital system? So these are the some of the silent features that we will achieve through the smart HVAC system. We can create the smart buildings. Real-time monitoring is feasible. Integrated sustainable ecosystems. As you the buildings are going into the grids, so you have to prove your energy consumption. This is possible only with the IoT sensors or digital system, and you can prove this the lead system or whatever we are going to have there. improve power factor, reduce penalty. This is feasible with the energy metering and grid segregation. And power factor penalty, which is MERC guideline, Master regulation is there. You have to maintain the thermal harmonic digital system, that is THD factors, which is happening due to the harmonic imbalance. Most of the VRF are having this problem, although they are companies who are manufacturing this with a lower penalty. But if you increase the your harmonic balance, you will have penalty for high rise, high standard uh, 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 performance. So the future ready energy efficient system is visible with kind of this system. You can reduce the cost. Capital cost can be reduced with use of passive technology guys, or you can go with the digital twin. You can go with the thermodynamic system. You can use the low gas factor, solar heat gain factor, VLT. You can reduce the your glass factor. So if you go with the passive system, definitely cost will be reduced. If you reduce the tonnage, definitely your energy will be reduced, your cost will be reduced. You are reducing the carbon also. So that is one of the important thing. Improvement of energy emission and carbon emission. That is happening this the most of the thing. We are moving towards the decarbonization, and this is possible to prove whatever you have designed, the whatever you are optimizing with the commissioning system also. And our goal of net vision, that is by 2070, is visible only with the use of this system. So fear is reaction, but preparation is strategies. So I think digital system, you, fear should not be there. We have to ready for the strategy. Thank you very much.